Qualivon Technologies Private Limited, and we are from Odisha, Parampur. So basically, this is our first industrial expo under the support of Startup Odisha, and here we are presenting our nanotech sensors, which are useful for air quality monitoring, industrial gas analyzers, and also for government continuous emission monitoring devices. So this is our first expo in the industrial sector, and our experience is quite amazing, as we were glad to be a part of this HIMTEX 2023. So we came to know that lot of startups, not only startups, we came to know a lot of big companies are participating in this event. So while we are interacting with them, we came to know that there are a lot of applications that our sensor would be able to fit into. So with this, we would like to thank our Startup Odisha team by giving this wonderful opportunity to us to showcase our product at HIMTEX 2020.